Hello and welcome to the C# 7 Tips, Tricks and Techniques course. I am Simon Hughes. I've been developing software for over 30 years and I've been using C, C++ and C# since they came out. I'm on Twitter and you can reach me at S1MON Hughes. C# is a complex language and it can be difficult to practice when you first start out, and there are many rules and standards that you're bound to make mistakes. But avoiding these common mistakes will help make your programs much more efficient. With this course, you'll learn to implement practical and proven techniques to improve particular aspects of C# 7 development. Each section covers tips and techniques with explicit instructions to carry out different C# 7 tasks in a practical manner. The techniques are demonstrated using small, practical examples, and there'll be lots of demos and only a few slides. You will boost your skills with information on enhancing your coding style, performance, and learn about C# 7 processes to improve your code quality and readability. This course focuses on discovering new possibilities with C# 7 that can enhance your current skill set. And by the end of this course, you will have learned some exciting tips, best practices and techniques for C# 7, and you will be able to build your own applications in C# 7 much faster and with ease. In this section, immediately after this introduction, we'll explore C# 7 tools and techniques to boost productivity that will help you write and take advantage of the C# 7 new features. We'll cover static using, out variables, local functions, numeric literal, syntax improvements, ref locals and returns, throw expressions, and expression-bodied members. In Section 2, we'll understand and practice different types of pattern matching, including what you can now do with switch statements, which will provide more concise syntax than you already use today. In Section 3, you'll learn language rules governing tuples in C# 7 and different ways to use them, including discards. In Section 4, we'll use deconstruction on both tuples and user-defined types, which will let you unpackage all the items in a tuple or user-defined type in a single operation. There are some prerequisites for this course, and firstly, you must have prior knowledge of C#. And this course will teach you about the new features in C# 7, but not about how to use the C# language. The software requirements are that you must have Visual Studio 2017 installed and have .NET 4.6 installed. And the minimum hardware requirements are a Windows machine with Windows 7 SP1 or greater. The processor must be at least 1.8 GHz or faster, and at least 2 GB of memory, and 4 GB of free hard drive space after installation of Visual Studio 2017. And Visual Studio typically requires anywhere between 20 to 50 GB of free space, and up to 130 GB if you tick all the boxes. Ideally, you'll be running on Windows 10 with an Intel i5 processor or better, and 8 GB of RAM or more, and at least 10 GB of free space after the installation of Visual Studio 2017. Get up to speed with C# 7 quickly and easily with this course. With this course, you'll learn to implement practical and proven techniques to improve particular aspects of your C# 7 development. Each section covers techniques with explicit instructions to carry out different C# 7 tasks in a practical manner, and the techniques are demonstrated using small, practical examples you can experiment with. You will boost your skills with information on enhancing your coding style, performance, and learn about C# 7 enhancements and code quality. This course focuses on discovering new possibilities with C# 7 that can enhance your current skill set. And by the end of this course, you will have learned some exciting tips, best practices, and techniques for C# 7. You will be able to build your own desktop applications in C# 7 much faster and with ease.